Now today I am going to show you how to change out a light in the house. I'm going to take this old chandelier out because it's been here like this since we've been here, and we're going to put up some new lighting. First things first, it's never good enough just to turn off the light switch. It's best to be safe. You got to throw the breaker. So let's go turn the breaker off. Yeah, as you can tell, my breaker that is here is a hot mess. I don't know which one it is. So I got somebody in there to tell me when that light is off. And then I'm just going to throw one breaker at a time till I find the one that shuts it off. Watch it be the last one I throw. Now that the breaker is off, let's take this one down. Now I can't record and take this apart, so I got to take this out to take this off. Next step is unscrewing all of these and then taking it off. And here is the new light I'm going to put in. I have to take these screws out so that way I can get to putting this part attached to it. You can't see what's what. Well, I'm doing black to black. You put this tie on. Then you go white to white. What I did, I put the wires in after I tied it up, separated them out, shoved them up in there. There's a big hole right here. I latched it in, notched it in. Now I'm just going to tighten it down. But make sure you keep it in place. And then you turn your breaker back on. Now that I've got this on, I've tightened down this screw, putting in the very last touch. Tighten it down. All right, let's test her out. Woo!
Well, it's even brighter with that on.
We got light. That, my friends and followers, is how you change the light. Next project, shelf time. Yay!